So here is the heater that's not working. The other one is. It's in a big shop. So I took the old thermostat off. I'm starting to put the mount on for this one. And the old thermostat is over here. This thing actually is about, geez, this might even be the original thermostat. This might be 50 years. May have been replaced once, but it is acting up. We have the new replacement. So you basically put the wall mount on, stick that through, and we're going to stick the wire through the back of this. Comes with two separate plates. And then we connect the wires right here to that. There's a little screw. Put the two wires there. Read the directions. This one's a 2-wire system, so it does tell me how to do that. Connect to the R and W, separate wires. And but watch read your directions. Each system's different. And we'll see if this bad boy finally works. Alright, so we're gonna loosen these two screws here. And then once we get it, we're gonna slide the wire into the back part there and then tighten it up, making sure they don't touch. And then we're gonna just assemble everything. See how it works. Alright, so we got the two wires connected. Now we're going to attach the inner part to the plate, and then we're going to click in the thermostat itself. Alright, so we're going to turn the thermostat up. I felt a click. Get this bad boy going. There it goes. Started its cycle. It's going to take about a minute. This bad boy should fire up. Finally get this working. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Alright, we got clicking. I'm using a flame started. And we're going to feel some hot air. There she is. Some hot air.